Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problems on your Facebook no internet connection. So first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just right here Facebook, and if you see here not open what update, it means that you have available updates for your Facebook. So just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.